You can see I'm doing some curry chicken. Right, this is the chicken. And I'm gonna put some carrot, Irish, pepper, sweet hot pepper, thyme, scallion, garlic, lots of garlic. And this is potato, you know, garlic powder again. And this is my season from Jamaica, all purpose. And I have some jerk season from Jamaica, right? And the curry again. And I have black pepper also, no salt. I just use these season. Okay, so I would like a time, like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend, don't forget to touch the notice button. That's when it comes out you can see. So just like it, share it, subscribe to it, touch up the thing, touch it up. Let's you see, curry, real curry from yard, I throw it. See it? You can see the curry. Real curry from Jamaica. I bring up my curry. Okay? Not the one from here. I don't use that one too tough. And you can see my season. Okay? Yeah. Look at it. Colors changing. Right? Ginger powder. Right? I don't cook curry unless ginger is inside. This is my pimento seed. I throw a few in it. I bring it up from yard. Yes, and I have my garlic powder again. Yeah, so you can see again, jerk season this, the real jerk. Okay, so like it up and share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend this is the way Auntie Clair do her thing. So I'm gonna cut up these now and marinate it. Next time you see a different color when it's combined. Okay, so just like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Okay, this is Auntie Clair doing this thing, going ahead now. Okay, so I'm cutting pepper first, right? Yeah.